Hey, what's up everybody? Today is May 4th, 2012. This week's build is basically last week's build. I could not find better components for the price. The only difference this week is the actual computer case. It is a standard mid-tower, case, $24.99 after mail-in rebate. One thing to note with this week's build is the power supply. The power supplies has a 10% off promo and a mail-in rebate that expires this Sunday. So if you really want to get this build going, you've got to act quickly. If not, you're gonna have to get another power supply. Obviously, it might not come with a PCI Express connector for the video card, and it'll be slightly over $300. Not too bad, but we're trying to keep this under $300. I did flirt with going with an AMD build this week, and I was able to get a build for about $7 cheaper, but it just wasn't worth the gamble because the Sempron, I think it's the 145, unlocks to a dual core Rigor. It's just not worth the risk, in the slightest chance that it will not unlock. Returning processors is a bit of a hassle, so I just went with the safe bet with the Intel G530 again. And quite frankly, if you're going to upgrade down the line, Intel's processors are faster. They're they don't provide the most bang for buck. If you want to go crazy and get like an 8-core AMD processor, you can get those for under $200. But the upgrade path was limited with the AMD build because it was only an AM3 slot on the processor. It wasn't AMD 3 Plus or an FM1. So that's why I stuck with Intel. Of course, this week I wasn't able to get a motherboard that had two PCI Express 2.0 slots. That's what I'm trying to aim for you guys, because it's only a matter of time before these new consoles start coming out, and you're going to need more power. And obviously, when you have two slots, it gives you the flexibility of getting two slots, getting two video cards that will be cheaper, usually cheaper than the highest end card, and give you a little bit or about the same performance for the price. So there you have it. Not really much more to add to it this week, guys. I will see you guys next week.